All right, here we are. We're at a shirt place. They have all kinds of fun stuff here. Like, oh my goodness. They actually have pro and against the hunch. Inmate, lock him up. I love that one. Where's the weed? That's pretty good. It's hilarious. MILF Hunter. I love socking. The crack house. Oh God. It's hilarious. It's 9th day of May, 2024. Eagles, the idiots. These nuts. I love it. That's right. I love the Cowboys and I love Cowgirls. That's right. So, well, it's the T-shirts factory. That's what it's called here. So, they're flying kites here. You can tell. So, footsies, sissy balls, sunglasses.
It honestly doesn't fit me that well.
Flying the kites.
Riker, stay where you are.
Come over here.
Perfect day for it. So it looks like this is a kite flying area. This is a nice little restaurant. Yep. You can fly kites galore. Look at this stuff. These are pretty cool. Kind of in the way, but it won't do it. But still kind of cool. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Huh? Yes.
Oh, that'd be so cute.
Wag more, bark less.
Yeah, not in our house. I like this a lot. I don't know how much it is.
Very nice. So yeah, you probably get you can get one. What?
The pole.
No, the pole is not included.
Right. No, I know.
But you can get a pole. You can get a pole anywhere. Not bad. You can get a pole anywhere, sure. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pool in the back of your house if you want something like that. Oh, I got a Hooters here.
Wow.
What? What? Wing, see?
These big decks here on these.
Yeah.
One has their own big deck with a
Yeah.
table and chairs.
Yep.
2-bedroom, 2-bath, family rentals. Nice.
Yep. Probably closed for now. I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. All kinds of fun stuff. It's kind of cool. That's
I like that one. This big deck.
but see, I would clean out that rust.
Yep.
First thing I would do. Paint over that rust. But yeah, here in May, it's not as many people, but in 3 weeks, Memorial Day weekend,
Oh, Sensations. Smaller one than
Yep.
that we've seen.
you check out on the way back. There's always more stuff there.
I guess it'd be a little far to walk for coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
By Dunkin'.
There's not Dunkin' close by?
Not close enough. Well, that one, but they got really bad reviews.
Wow.
That one that was across from the Happy.
There's your Dunkin'. Well, it's good to see Neil Diamond still on the road.
That's a tribute.
Oh, he is? Okay.
He's not performing anymore. He's got something.
Alzheimer's.
No, it might be Parkinson's.
Shenanigans. Irish pub. That'd be a great name of a horse, Mr. Shenanigans. More, you know, those, like I said, fall apart.
See again, these only have partial blockage between each unit.
Right. They can climb over and get to you.
Uh-huh. Well, just if you want to sit out there in your underwear.
Right.
And then these have holes in the wall between them.
Right.
Again. Oh, let's go see if their sliding glass door is locked.
Exactly.
I mean, I don't like to think that way, but
That's people do. Pizza and
hey, the dough roller. I saw this in the book that we had. I thought it was a weird combination.
the dough roller. Can't tell it's kind of quiet behind us.
Oh, it looks like he just had a baby while he's pregnant.
What?
No, not that. Just
It looks like he's pregnant. It's weird how men carry their weight just most of them in their gut. It's just weird.
Yeah. Yeah. All kinds of fun stuff getting ready to sell. Shit show supervisor. Love it. Yeah.
It's embroidered.
Yeah.
It's nice. I like that. It's a different color. It's a different color.
Yeah.
There. Nice, nice.
Hmm.